Fix please close interception before starting the game in Rust, Apex Legends, and Fortnite. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the please close interception before starting the game error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the link in which I have gone. Scroll down and download the interception zip file. Once the file is downloaded, open your downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and select Extract All. Then click Extract again to unzip the contents. You don't need to open anything inside the folder. Now, go to your computer's search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. With the command prompt open, copy the first command and paste it into CMD. Then press Enter. Next, copy the second command that I am just typing. Paste it as well and press Enter again. Once both commands are executed successfully, go ahead and restart your computer. After rebooting, launch your game again and the interception error should be fixed. If this worked for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. That's all for the video.